the whole community to the rescue.
You listen Jamaica YouTube TV, so we get it as exactly how we tell it. No fabrication, you got it? So go listen, share, and press like. Just hit the notification bell and turn well.
So welcome JY family, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified. If you don't press the bell icon, you're not going to get no notification. And blast the video by your WhatsApp status for me, please. And like up it, you know. Now, that video that I show you at the start, that incident happened in St. Elizabeth. I don't know what the driver was doing, but the car ended up in the gully. But the best part about it is, JY family, I get to understand that nobody, was hurt during this process. But me just assure you, say, look here, man. Above all, all we're going in Jamaica, you still have some good people. Well, look out for people. The whole community come together. Big up the whole of St. Elizabeth. We can't just get up every day. I don't know, so I saw my channel running now. Yeah, me like for share. Me do look a bit of every little thing. The good, the bad, the ugly, the mugly, the zugly, anything you want to call it, the indifference. Yeah, man. So big up the whole of St. Elizabeth and this one. JY family, share the good things them, no, man. Share the good things them, man. And we not stop show the good things them, because we realize, say, the bad things them conquer the good things them. When time we drop the good things them, we no look panic. And that's why enough vloggers just keep on giving the things them we no share. Because we not share the good things them. Then no cuss and said, Lord, I be bad things on the show. Master, me can't bother. But guess what? I still a bother because of them I watch and them I share. When I look hundreds of thousands of views. But anyway, moving on because we not stop share the good things them.
Hi, you remember me? Alright, Fatty, I want you to do me a favor. I'll pay for anybody who come here and buy from me right now. So guys, today we're working with JPS. It's our 100th anniversary, random act of kindness. And what I want to do for Fatty is not stress her out, and I want to help her sell whatever is here. So you guys, tell me what you want, and we'll start stuff for you. Want to know what? Pepsi. You want a Pepsi? Alright. Bun and cheese. Alright, yeah, you have to do that. You're the expert with the bun and cheese.
Alright, you next.
So I'm going to record everybody who is not bun and cheese here. Alright, you guys have two orange juice. We only have a little bit of ice left, so that's probably the best you can get.
Alright, bun and cheese.
One bag juice? It's okay, it's Charles man, so just take up one. That's 4 bag juice then. 5 bag juice. 13. Okay, so how long have you been here?
This year, the 11th of September will be 38 years.
Imagine this is from everybody who you've ever helped over the years. Okay. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Paying for what we use today is $25,000. Yeah, man. That's for you and for the kids. So, guys,
thanks a lot.
Happy Child's Day month. Happy Child's Month. And Patty, again, thank you so much for taking care of everybody all the time.
Yo, I walk out onion. Me in the kitchen and I feel so. I feel so. So I'm still not share. Alright then. I don't like the good things them. Listen to me. This lady been at the school selling for over 38 years. Oh my God. Big up JPS. When JPS we get beaten, we beat them over here. When them forget big up, we have to big them up, JY family. Silent viewers, silent listeners. Like up and share up the video, man. Wow. My God. This is awesome, man. Anyway, for not share this, it's up to you. All me I say, stop blaming bloggers, man. Stop blaming bloggers. This is a perfect example why the bloggers them put out them thing. Well, where them know uno I go share.
I do want to share though that we have just this week has come to my attention that a young man who had been missing in Mexico has now been identified as having died. He was regrettably an unidentified person found on a street in Mexico, and his family had no idea where he was. And the persons who were supposed to have been traveling with him became uncontactable by the family. And however, some efforts were made by our embassy in Mexico to reach out to the department that is responsible for identification of personnel and of persons. It was found that the young Jamaican citizen, was identified as having had an autopsy performed on him, but not having been a body claimed. We will be working with the family to see what we can do in terms of the repatriation of the body. The story that these scammers and smugglers sell to individuals in vulnerable communities is not, they shouldn't be trusted. They should not be trusted. There are real consequences to trying to enter the US illegally, or any other country for that matter. And we really encourage Jamaicans to take a second and a third thought before it is that they take that decision.
JY family, unnecessary something are going on. Gone are the days when, only Haiti and Mexico. Yeah. When you hear about them, something migrate to the border and they might get killed and people lose them life and all these things. No, we see a rapid and a matter of fact a massive increase with Jamaicans I go across the border. You guys think that the government can help to stop all of this? Want to talk to me down in the comment section. Talk to me. Come on.
When your money don't got a God, Your husband gone, got a God. Your boyfriend gone, got a God. Don't know what to do, got a God. And your rent is due, got a God. Your girlfriend gone, got a God. Masa got a God. Masa got a God. Boy. She ain't got a money. She ain't got a hearing. Masa got a God. Boy. Masa got a God. You know hear mama ho, you know hear papa ho. Masa.
Yo, me just want, send a positive message, man, across the whole world. I say, yo, no care when I go through, don't give up, man. Try find some comfort and, just put the best outside and just keep moving. You understand? Yeah, man. Now, JY family, me I go make you listen a touching story. Yo, gruesome. Man, this is very shocking. This is very sad. No parents not supposed to go through this, mighty God. Trust me. Check out this story, JY family. Please share this with me, please. And like up the video.
Donald Reese is 56 years old. He says he has been receiving treatment for a stroke suffered in 2018. Despite his ill health, Reese says the source of his greatest pain is the memory of how his two sons were killed like animals in the wee hours of the morning outside their unfinished two-bedroom house at Tankwell Hill Bull Bay in St. Thomas on November 11, 2021. Gunmen invaded the dwelling and dragged 28-year-old O'Shane Reese and 24-year-old Swain Reese outside. The police report of the incident says O'Shane and Swain were ordered to kneel and then shot, execution style, in the head. Reports in the community say the Reese brothers were not the primary target of the gunmen. Donald Reese says he recently had a flashback of his sons while having dinner.
You know what I say? I don't want to harbor you down at them granny. I'm down there. I eat some dinner. Me and my baby mother eat some dinner, and it's like me just see the two of them just come. And when I see that, I couldn't eat again, I start cry. And my baby mother said, what I'm to you now, Dennis? And I just get up and go outside. And I couldn't eat no more.
Mr. Reese could hardly find words when interviewed by our reporter on Thursday. He could only say that the gun is a dirty tool.
Gun is a dirty thing, very much. Dirty. I see me talk to you, I want to cry. I talk to you, but I want to cry. Gun is a dirty tool. It's a dirty weapon. Gun shouldn't have made.
Since November 11, 2021, when the Reese brothers were killed at their home, approximately 2,000 Jamaicans have lost their lives to the gun. Mahiri Stewart for Nationwide.
Oh my God. Yo, JY family, I want to send some prayers for this father. Send up some prayers for this father, JY family, silent viewers. Oh man, nobody not supposed to go through this, man. Yo, the man, them get them hand pants on gun, yeah. And yo, them not have no head, them not have no heart, nothing in them. Them everything plug out. Every single thing plug out, JY family. You understand? So guess what? The least to good thing. Them say, all right, a boy violate me, the mother violate me, the father violate me, the son, whoever violate me, the father need to witness this a boy I get slapped with. Yeah, right in front of the father, then make the father watch. Oh my God, this is so traumatizing. This father will never get past this. And as we talk about how them boy are wicked, JY family, you see this picture that is listen to this. Listen to this. This is a couple that gets slapped in sentence. And trust me, I always like when me listen to something them before me talk because I don't want to think to me a liar. Check out this.
House with gunshot wounds. The street and police are probing the suspected murder of a couple whose bodies were found at a house in St. Anne's Bay, St. Anne on Friday. The deceased have been identified as Danny Wollaston, a businessman and furniture maker, and his wife, Camera Walker Wollaston, both from Gully Road in St. Anne's Bay, St. Anne. Reports are that shortly after 4 p.m. on Friday, the daughter of the two returned home and made the gruesome discovery. An alarm was raised and the police were alerted to the scene. Police said Wollaston was found lying on his back with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the torso, while his wife was seen lying on the floor with multiple gunshot wounds to the upper body. The scene was processed and the bodies were removed to the morgue. A motive has not been established for the killing at this time.
JY family, the daughter come home from school, you know. The daughter come home from school, come witness this, you know. Can you imagine how this little girl is going to feel for the rest of her life? Oh, man. Yo, what really are going? Jamaica, what really are going? JY family thinks that this couple is in something. Wanna talk to me down in the comment section. You think that the man them just go in the house and just slap them with so? You think that them just wicked so? Or something is behind it? Yo, no man. Just when you get up and say, alright, it can't get worse. I hit this man, it can't get worse. Only if you know say every single morning you get up because you know how we deal with it. You know, we subscribe to and follow a lot of people and all these media outlets and all these things. You understand? So, anytime you wake up in the morning, when you look, you get the notification them and you go through them and say, alright, this me I go deal with. Me friend, when me woke up in this, me I say, oh God. It's like them know exactly them profile them and say, alright, the little girl I got school, such and such time. This a person and I go there, that the person and I go there. So me know exactly what time to slap them way. And only if you know say the data come discover this dopey show here, this horror movie. This little girl I go there in a horror for the rest of her life. Every time she shut her eyes, she a go see her parents. She a go see her parents, JY family. Lying there, lifeless. Can't move. She a bawl out. Mommy, mommy, daddy, wake up. She can't believe. Eh? Oh my God. Just the thought of it alone. Just the thought of it alone make my blood run cold. Life is nothing anymore. Life is nothing. Because of them people are gear it. And them gear it. So, them are going to take it anytime they want. Them are going to take it anytime they want. If them wake up and feel like, say, yo, you violate them, it can't talk over. It can't talk over. It can't beg out. It can't buy out. No care what. Because them done already have it in the back of them head. Say, you diss them, man. You just diss me. My God. And it goes back to the parents, children, everybody, every single person right now. Think about the repercussion. Anytime you are going to do something, you can cut and gone. What about who left behind? What about who left behind? How about your kids who are going to school? How about the kids who are come off at the bus a certain time and take a certain taxi? Them a profile, you know. So, when you are spread in the bed, you don't think twice, yeah? Trust me. It's not a good look, but we just have to talk it like it is and face the harsh reality. No, sir. JY family, big up on yourself. I hope you share the video, you know. I hope you like the video. I hope you not interact with the video in the comment section. Please blast it on the WhatsApp status. Thanks in advance. Thanks for everybody who really share the video. I don't know me do a full-time job. Me hardly can keep up, but me I do my best still. You see me? Big up on yourself. I'm out.
Oh, you see you look more sexier and more, you know, round and things. So, you see you know, more than once or some of you fat, say it on. Boom boom.
No, pum pum. You have to say pum pum.
Oh. Want some coupling spot?
Pum pum.
You can't say it again to the man. Say it faster. Want the poop, a bomb clap, me mama, whoa, my belly, laugh and if I laugh I cry. What the funny?
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there, yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana. Under the tree with a glass of